Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're already into bread making or you want to get into it, I have the perfect bread pan for you. This is by Sxmprail, and this is a complete set that will let you get into bread making and bring it to a whole nother level. So this is an awesome 9.5 quart cast iron pan. It comes with a lid and the bottom, which is nice and deep so that you can put your dough inside. The pan is good up until 700 degrees, so it definitely will allow you to get even baking for all of your bread. Once you get your dough into the pan, you can keep that cover on and follow your recipe, but for those last few minutes, which will give you the perfect crust, you can take that cover off very easily. It has really friendly ergonomic handles that with your oven mitt make it really easy to take that cover off. This set is so awesome because it also includes everything that you need to get into bread making. So it includes a lame, it includes your bread sling, a really nice heavy duty Danish whisk, as well as 2 bread scrapers and even a cleaner for the pan. That brush gets in there and you can really get that pan ready for the next time. They also include instructions so that you can keep it properly seasoned and keep this pan ready for whenever you'd like. There's really nothing better than fresh bread in your home, whether it's for you or you want to get this set for someone. You will be completely satisfied. This is an awesome pan that you can use for all of your bread making needs. But that's just my point of view.